Friends, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the screen timeout on your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, to put likes. Also, please write your comments and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. First of all, I want to tell you what wait time is. Waiting time is an option, thanks to which your iPhone screen, it is waiting to turn off, so to speak. As you can see just now, I have, for example, darkened the screen means that it was already ready to turn off it, as if it is already preparing for it. In order for you to be able to configure such a waiting time to turn off the screen, you'll need to first open the settings on your iPhone. And then please scroll down to the bottom. And here, folks, you'll need to go to Display, Brightness, and scroll down a little bit further. And look, this is where you'll be interested in the Auto Lock section. And when you go to it, you'll be able to see the different time intervals that you're going to have. For example, the standby mode, which is the time that your iPhone will turn off. It can be 30 seconds, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. You customize it as you like. And when you set up this option, you will see that when your phone is just lying aside, for example, you put it aside, then after, let's say, 1 minute, it will automatically turn off and go into this lock state. And then you have to unlock your iPhone to use it. That's how easy and quick it is, friends, to change the screen timeout on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put likes, subscribe to the channel, and write comments. Take care, friends.